If you want to go viral on Instagram or YouTube, do this as soon as you can. The niche I'm about to show you is not competitive yet, so it's better to act fast before it gets more saturated. It's the dark psychology niche. Let me show you an example channel. This channel only has 47 short videos, but it has around 360,000 subscribers and it's monetized. Now you understand how valuable this niche is. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to creating videos like this using AI. Let me show you a sample video. Emotional manipulation is a potent psychological tactic employed to exert control and take advantage of individuals. It typically revolves around the prospect of withholding affection or endorsement unless the target yields to the manipulator's desires. Before we start, we need a name for this channel, and ChatGPT is good for that. Let's ask, give me 10 name ideas for a dark psychology YouTube channel. As you can see here, we have some amazing name ideas. I really like this one. Mind manipulation insights. I'm going to select it. Now we need a logo and a banner for our channel. For this process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. It's a free art generating AI similar to Midjourney, but very easy to use. As you can see here, there are a lot of images. Let's select this one and click generate using this model. Now all you have to do is select a suitable size from the side menu, select the number of generations, and then simply type this prompt, then hit the generate button. Just like this, you can create a logo for your channel by changing different types of characteristics. You can get different types of logo ideas. So if you are not satisfied with the results you got, you can change the prompt and try again. Make sure to select an interesting image. Now we need a banner. Let's go to Canva and create a banner. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free. Go to create design and select YouTube banner. This banner should be simple and clean. In the side menu, you can see there are a lot of templates. We can select a suitable one and edit it according to our niche. I will select this one. We don't need these elements, so let's delete those and let's change the title as well to dark psychology. I will add a new background image as well. Go to elements from the side menu and search for any image you want. I will add a darker background like this. I think this would be enough. Let's download it. The next step is creating the videos. We need to come up with a script. Follow these steps. First, we need to find articles about dark psychology using Google. Once you find that, copy the part you want from that article like this. And let's ask ChatGPT to change it a little bit so that we don't get any copyright problems. Simply ask, rewrite this paragraph, and copy the paragraph you selected. ChatGPT will rewrite it within a few seconds. Now we can use this without any issues. The next step is to make voiceovers. As usual, we are going to use 11 Labs for that. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. After that, you can select a suitable AI voice from here. I would recommend using a deeper voice. When you are done with selecting the voice, copy the script we generated using ChatGPT and click generate. It will generate your voiceover within a few seconds. Now we are done with the voiceovers as well. We need to find suitable images for our video background. Again, I will use Leonardo AI for that. Just like we did before, select a suitable model and use this same prompt. Make sure these images are in line with the script. We are talking about dark psychology, therefore we need images that can represent manipulation and dark things. If you want different results, you can change it in a suitable way. We will need around 6 to 8 images. After you generate those, download the images that you like the most. Now we have all the things we need to create our video. I'm going to use CapCut to edit these videos. It's free video editing software. You can simply download it onto your mobile or computer. Start a new project. Click this modify button. You can change the project name and settings here and select the suitable size for short videos, which is a 9:16 ratio. After that, import all the voiceovers and the images. First, drag the voiceovers to the timeline. Place these images on top of it like this, and make sure to edit its size according to the video size. You can add images one after the other like this. If you have more images, it will increase the content quality. After you add all the images, we should add some cool transitions. Go to transition from the top menu and select suitable transitions from these. I really like this glitch transition effect. Add transitions in between all images. After that, let's add some video effects as well. Go to effects from the top menu and try these effects. There are hundreds of effects here. Just play with these and make your video edit more interesting. These are still images. adding different types of video effects will give the viewer a different vibe, so make sure to add more effects. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to text and select auto captions. Then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the captions within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these texts in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. After you are done with that, you can add some text animations as well. Go to animations from the side menu and select a simple animation. Make sure to select all the captions before you add the animation, or you will have to add it to each text layer one by one. After that, we need to add some background music to this video. Pixabay.com is a free website where you can find any type of music and sounds, so go to that and download suitable background music, then add it to your timeline like this. Make sure to reduce its volume. Now we are done with the process of creating the videos as well. You can export this video from CapCut and start uploading it to your channel. Make sure to upload at least 4 videos per day to gain traction and build an audience. Engage with viewers by responding to comments and encouraging subscriptions. To increase views, research competitors with more views and use their keywords in your videos. This strategy can significantly boost visibility on YouTube. If interested, I can create an in-depth tutorial on finding trending topics and increasing views as a beginner. Following these steps will help you create high-quality, engaging videos that resonate with your audience. See you in the next video.